Hello friends, welcome to ADO.NET tutorial. Now we are at the second part of the subseries ADO.NET model. So in this video, we will learn more about ADO.NET. In the previous video, we talked about the history of the data access support provided by Microsoft. And in this video, we will talk ADO.NET specifically. So ADO.NET access data in disconnected way. So disconnected way in the sense it will retrieve the data by connecting to the database. After that, the connection will terminate. You can use the ADO.NET API to interact with the data which was retrieved from the database. Means disconnected way means it connects to database, fetches data, and then disconnects. So once data is fetched, it will be available with your front-end application. You can still use the ADO.NET framework APIs to manipulate the data, but when you are manipulating, remember that you are working with the offline data which was already fetched, right? So after data modification offline, it connects back to data source and performs the update. That means if you want to perform update, you can connect back to the database and push your data changes. So that means whenever you perform any editing, you are doing it offline, right? So that's important. You are doing it offline and you no need to worry that whatever change you make will get updated to the database. So if this is your ADO.NET API, let's state that it connects to database, right? It fetches data, right, and disconnects. After data is connected, you can modify the data, and after modification you can connect back. So after modification you can connect back and push your changes. ADO.NET is developed using the .NET framework. It is different from ADO, which is a COM-based technology. So ADO is the prior version of the ADO.NET, right? Once .NET is released, Microsoft tuned this ADO and released ADO.NET. So ADO.NET is different from ADO, and ADO is a COM-based technology. In ADO.NET, transfer over internet is easy, right? Because of the underlying XML support. So like ADO, special API for internet is not needed for the same reason. For the same reason in the sense it already have XML support, and we know that XML is simply a data in transit between HTTP. I mean between two machines via HTTP, alright? So you can transfer XML, thereby you can transfer the database. Suppose if you want to transfer employee table, you can simply generate the records in the form of XML, transfer it over the internet, and in the receiving end it will be passed back to get the employee records. Alright, so that's a short introduction about ADO.NET. Thank you for watching. Bye.